Here in this video, we will show you how to run your website through Redserverhost while keeping GoDaddy Nameservers. Sometimes we would like to run our website through Redserverhost, that is a record, and whereas we would like to run other things at GoDaddy itself. So for that, we will assume here that we have purchased our domain name from GoDaddy. So now log into your GoDaddy domain control panel and then go to Manage DNS from 3 dots. Now from here you need to scroll down and set the name servers to the default one. So click over Change and then select I'll use GoDaddy Nameservers recommended. Click over Save. Now tick mark over Yes, I consent and then go ahead with Continue. Now again click over 3 dots and then go to Manage DNS. Now here we can see that our DNS server is maintained with GoDaddy. Now we simply need to point our A record towards Redserverhost. So for that we will edit the existing A record and then we will change the value of points to the IP address provided by Redserverhost. If you don't know what is the IP address of the cPanel account provided by Redserverhost, you can inquire this from Redserverhost or can watch our other videos. Save the changes and then you will find that your A record is now pointed successfully. Now go to intodns.com and then from here you can verify whether your domain is pointed successfully towards Redserverhost for website or not. From the top side you can see your name server and at the bottom side you will be able to see your A records. This is the IP address of Redserverhost which is being pointed from GoDaddy DNS server. If you are looking for a reliable, experienced web hosting service provider, then Redserverhost.com is the best option for you as it provides unlimited bandwidth and traffic for running your website.